Hey, my name is Eric. I'm here at the LA Auto Show, and this is the Audi e-tron Sportback. So this was just introduced yesterday, and of course there's all the noise about the Mustang Mach-E, and look at the styling cues. I think there's actually a lot of different styling cues in here that make it look a little bit similar to the Mach-E. Obviously this is a bit more of a premium vehicle. So this is based on the Audi e-tron. Let me just point to that right here. So the Sportback actually has the same powertrain as the e-tron, and the e-tron was introduced last year. So we're talking about a 95 kilowatt hour battery. Horsepower, they're saying that it has somewhere in the range of about 404 with something called overboost. I don't quite know what that is exactly, but I'm assuming it's a higher current output. And now the range is a little bit controversial. On the e-tron, the EPA says it gets only about 200 miles, which is definitely below the market right now. However, on the Sportback, which is going to be available in Europe in 2020, mid-year, they're saying it has about 277 miles of range. So we know Audi is actually pretty conservative in the way that they rate their batteries. There's a little bit of controversy going on about how battery output is rated. So for example, in the Tesla, you're able to discharge it down to about 5%, something like that. Now, if you discharge the battery all the way down to zero, apparently that can kill the battery. However, Audi is much more conservative with the way they rate their batteries, and they want to make sure that the battery is going to last for a long time. They're a German manufacturer. They think they hold themselves to a higher standard of quality than the Tesla, and certainly in terms of the interior quality, this is much, much nicer than a Tesla. We'll take a look at the e-tron in just a second on the interior. But Audi says that they might retain as much as 20% of the battery pack capacity, so that's going to reduce range. However, it's going to improve reliability. Audi wants this car to last for a long time. The VW group is coming back, obviously, from the whole diesel scandal. So this is the way that they're coming back with the e-tron and the e-tron Sportback. I think it looks pretty nice. So this car is up on the stand right now, but let's take a look inside the e-tron and take a look what the interior might look like. I suspect it's going to be fairly similar, but I can't confirm that.
You've been talking about that car, and what is your impression?
I think it's a very, very nice. So the charging network for Audi and the VW group and the e-tron, of course, it's Electrify America, but they've also partnered up with Amazon so that now you can install, bring somebody out from Amazon who will install a charger at your house, 240 amp if your house will support that, and you can charge the e-tron in about 9 hours, they're saying. So you can, they're saying you can get about 80% of your charging done at home. Electrify America, of course, is brand new. They say that you'll be able to charge the e-tron in about 30 minutes. It's a pretty new network right now, and here is what the charger looks like. Up to 350 kilowatts of charging, so that should be quite fast. That is actually faster than anything that Tesla has right now. Of course, the issue really is that the network is just not that built out yet. So this is all pretty nascent, but there's certainly a lot of EVs here at the show. Let's take a look at the interior. So we have a sort of a nice tapioca type leather. I'm not sure what the color is called. Really, really nice stitching. We've got the Audi dashboard, which of course is all digital. Really beautiful. It's a really, really nice interior. We have a screen here. We have a screen here. It's very elegant. There's a lot of storage space down in here as well. The climate control. Doesn't look like there's actually really any buttons on it, so that could be something that some people don't like. But it's basically a lot of big screens in here, and it has some very nice wood in here. Looks like it's, don't think it's real, but anyways, it's a very, very premium type of interior. Very nice, very typical Audi actually. definitely a step ahead of the Tesla in terms of interior quality and materials. You are paying a little bit more too, but you're sacrificing the range. Some nice Alcantara touches here. So that is the Audi e-tron Sportback. Let me know what you think of it, and of course here's the Audi e-tron. I'm here at the auto show for just a little bit longer. Let me know if there's something else that you want to see. We're seeing a lot of electrics. This is definitely not just a small trend. There's finally some competition to Tesla. My name is Eric. If you want to see more videos from the auto show, just go ahead and subscribe. Click on a video up on screen right now, and if you want to see something else from the auto show, see you in the next one.